Hey everybody, welcome back to Brighten Up Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Today we're diving into the world of fresh, homegrown herbs. It's nature's little powerhouses that are packed full of flavor, fragrance, and health benefits. So whether you have a big backyard or just a windowsill, I'm going to go over 10 top kitchen herbs for you to use that is easy to grow, rewarding to harvest, and is going to transform your cooking. Stick around because I'm going to share a few secret tips on how to keep your herbs thriving year-round. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Okay, up number 1 is basil. It's otherwise known as the king of herbs. Basil plants can be grown in pots or garden beds. So that's why it's first on the list, the ever popular basil. The herb is a staple in Italian cooking. It's perfect for pestos, pastas, and salads. It thrives in warm temperature and it loves the sunshine. So here's a pro tip. Pinch off the flowers. I can see you out there punching. Okay, pinch off the flowers to encourage more leaf growth. And did you know that basil also has antibacterial properties and this can help you reduce inflammation? There are lots of recipes online, so be sure to check those out. And up number 2 is going to be rosemary, otherwise known as the memory booster. So rosemary sprigs are going to be used in cooking, and they're tough, drought resistant, and the herb has kind of got a piney, woodsy aroma to it. It's actually kind of good, and it's not just great for seasoning your meats, but you can use it on roasted potatoes as well. It's also known for boosting your memory and concentration. So grow you some rosemary in the well-drained soil and give it plenty of sunlight. Here's a fun fact. In ancient Greece, students would wear rosemary in their hair to help with boosting their memory when they were studying. All right, give it a try and let me know what you think. And number 3 on the list is going to be mint. Now you can use mint leaves and make actual tea, or you can use them in desserts as well. Mint is a must-have. And I don't know about you guys, but I love a good mint tea in the summer. It's so relaxing. The herbs bring instant freshness, actually freshens your breath as well, but you must be warned. Mint spreads aggressively, so it's best grown in containers. And I love peppermint. You can usually find those at the store fairly easily. Plus, it's excellent for digestion and it can help with nausea. So, have you ever tried rubbing mint leaves on your templar? So if you do that, if you rub it on your temples, not your templar, but your temples, it actually helps. It's a natural headache reliever. So if you have a little bit of a headache in the summer and you just rub a little bit, smash it up and rub some on your temples, it'll help get rid of a headache. Try it and you can thank me later. And up number 4 is thyme. Now thyme, it's tiny, but it's mighty. So again, packed full of flavor like a lot of the others, and it has medicinal benefits. It's a great addition to soups, roasted veggies, and other dishes as well. Plus, it is a natural antiseptic. So get you some thyme, grow it in well-drained soil, and don't overwater it. This herb loves to stay a little bit on the drier side, if you know what I mean. And number 5, parsley. Parsley is, well, it's an underrated superfood. It isn't just a garnishing dish that you can put on the side of your dish to freshen up your breath after you eat. It's also a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and it's great for detoxing and boosting your immunity. Parsley grows in partially sun, but make sure it does get like at least a couple hours of sun. And the trick here to a fuller plant is keep harvesting parsley regularly. So just go out there and take your little scissors or pinch off a little bit, because every time you do that, it's going to encourage new growth. But definitely try you some parsley because, like I said, it is an underrated superfood. And up number 6 for all the pizza lovers out there, we're going to say oregano. Oregano is wonderful if you're making you some homemade pizza. So anyway, what is pizza without oregano? It's a Mediterranean herb. It's flavorful, full of antioxidants, loves the sun, well-drained soil. And did you know oregano oil is actually a powerful natural antiseptic? So grow your own, and it ensures the best flavor for your dishes. Up number 7 is cilantro. It's the freshest topping. You can use it in salsas, tacos, and curries. So you can love it or hate it, but those who love it, it's a kitchen essential. Perfect for those salsas, guacamole. It grows fast but prefers cooler temperature. Grow it in its, it says grow it in succession. So what that means is basically plant new seeds every few weeks. This way you'll have a continual harvest. So just think about that. That one's a little bit different, but number 7 is cilantro. And number 8 is chives, the onion alternative. Chives are like the milder cousin to the onions, adding a gentler, fresher bite to dishes. They grow quickly and require very little maintenance. Plus, they're great for repelling the pest in your garden. Chive flowers are edible and add a beautiful touch to salads. And number 9 on the list is the good old sage. We call it the healing herb. You can leave it in your tea and it makes beautiful teas, or put it in roasted dishes. Sage is not only an amazing seasoning for meats and stuffings, it can be used and has been used for centuries as a healing herb. It is drought resistant, easy to grow, and it's actually good for your brain health. Plus, burning dry sage is a traditional way to purify the air. And number 10 on the list, sorry guys, number 10 is dill. It's otherwise known as the pickling pro. So last but not least, we have dill, the perfect companion for pickles. You can use it in fish as well, creamy sauces. The herb prefers to have cooler weather and needs plenty of space since it grows tall. Bonus fact is, dill is known to aid digestion, and not only does it help digestion, it soothes an upset stomach. So some closing final thoughts here is, there you have it, top 10 kitchen herbs you can grow in your home. Whether you want to add that flavor to your meal, enjoy the health benefits of the herbs. These herbs are easy and rewarding additions to any kitchen garden. What's your favorite herb to grow? Leave a comment below and let us know. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Remember, no matter what, the sun always rises. Get to gardening. See you in the next video.